Hey everyone, wanted to jump on here and discuss with you some of the investment trends that we've seen for the past few weeks as we head into the end of the year. So as many of you have probably noticed, the stock market is on a 7-week long winning streak. And historically, the month of December has been a positive month for the stock market. However, this year in particular, we have seen new record highs, and a lot of this is due to several different things. First and foremost, the inflation readings that have been coming in over the past couple of months have shown either stagnant inflation, decreasing inflation, or flat inflation. So what these readings have been telling us is that inflation is definitely cooling, and a lot of these expectations are coming in lower than expected when the inflation reports have come out. So much so as, again, this Friday, the personal consumer expenditure report is less than expected as well. So due to inflation being flat or stagnant, also, what we are seeing is the bond markets. So the long-term treasury yields are beginning to decrease as well, so much so that as of Friday, the 10-year note is down below 4%. So these two readings have led the Federal Reserve to pause their interest rate hikes. So the past two Federal Reserve meetings, they've decided to pause interest rate increases. And in the most recent Fed meeting, which was last week on Wednesday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell explained that we can anticipate some interest rate cuts next year. Now, economists were calling for as many as 6 interest rate cuts next year. Fed Chair Jerome Powell came out and said it would be closer to 3 interest rate cuts. We also don't know when those could occur. A lot of people are predicting a 78% chance that the first interest rate cut will happen next March. That's still to be determined. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said next March could be a little bit premature. But what we've seen, the response from the market has been great for stocks. In particular, as of late, the past couple of months, financials and bank stocks. So bank stocks took a beating earlier in the year with the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, and regional bank stocks are all in the negatives for the year heading into the summer. However, we have seen a great increase in stocks across the board in the financial sector, including stocks like Fifth Third Bank, JP Morgan, even Citigroup are all positive these past couple of months. One of the sectors that looks a little bit underpriced right now is energy. So gas prices are at a year-long low right now at the pump. And if you look at stocks like ExxonMobil, Chevron, could be a decent buying opportunity if you've got some cash sitting aside. So that's been the year so far. Thankfully, at least this year, we've got one more week left in the year. However, we've recovered pretty nicely from the bear market that we saw in 2022. So leave your comments below. Let me know if there's anything you're looking at investing in.